hotel restaurant style hot and sour soup recipe, which is very tasty and very easy. Let's see how to prepare it at home. For this, here I have taken half cup of cabbage, half carrot finely chopped, 4 to 5 French beans finely chopped, 3 to 4 mushrooms, which are optional. If you don't like mushrooms, you can just skip it. Also, we need half capsicum, which is finely chopped, some spring onion greens, along with 2 inch of ginger, which I have finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, and 8 to 10 garlic cloves. So these were the finely chopped vegetables. We also need vegetable stock. Here I have taken almost 1 liter of vegetable stock. You can also use plain water instead of this vegetable stock. Now we also need to do one more preparation. Here I have taken a bowl in which I have added 1 tablespoon of corn flour. You can also use arrowroot in place of corn flour and just mix it with half cup of water. Now let's prepare hot and sour soup. So just take a pan, take a kadhai and add 1 tablespoon of oil along with all the ingredients one by one. Firstly, I have added ginger, green chili, garlic, and also I have added spring onion greens. Instead of spring onion greens, you can also use regular onions and saute them for few seconds and then add one by one all the rest of the vegetables. So here I have added all the vegetables. If you have baby corn, you can add. If you have broccoli, you can also use it. Finely chop it and just use it while making this soup. So you have to saute all the vegetables for few minutes. Let's say for 2 to 3 minutes, and just directly you have to add water, mix water. Here I have prepared the vegetable stock in advance and I kept it in fridge. Mix it well and then add small half teaspoon of black pepper powder. We also need to add 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar or the sirka. Also add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Mix all the ingredients and bring this soup to a boil, a nice boil. When the soup starts boiling, we have to add the corn flour slurry. Mix the corn flour slurry and you have to add this in the soup. Adjust the salt. So I have added half teaspoon of salt. Now bring the soup to a boil. As you can see, the soup has come to a nice boil. Now we need to add the corn flour slurry. Mix it well and then add. After adding the corn flour slurry, mix the soup well and bring the soup to a nice boil, and our hot and sour hotel restaurant style hot and sour soup is ready. Enjoy this soup hot. Thank you so much for watching. See you. Bye. Love you.